In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. When the heaven is split asunder, and attentive to her Lord in fear, and when the earth is spread out, and hath cast out all that was in her, and is empty, and attentive to her Lord in fear, thou verily, O man, art working toward thy Lord, a work which thou wilt meet in His presence. Then whoso is given his account in his right hand, he truly will receive an easy reckoning, and will return unto his folk in joy. But whoso is given his account behind his back, he surely will invoke destruction, and be thrown to scorching fire. He verily lived joyous with his folk. He verily deemed that he would never return unto Allah. Nay, but lo, his Lord is ever looking on him. Oh, I swear by the afterglow of sunset, and by the night and all that it enshroudeth, and by the moon when she is at the full, that ye shall journey on from plain to plain. What aileth them then that they believe not? And when the Quran is recited unto them, worship not Allah? Nay, but those who disbelieve will deny, and Allah knoweth best what they are hiding. So give them tidings of a painful doom, save those who believe and do good works, for theirs is a reward unfailing.
تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري